guys! In a previous episode, I told you how to make doll wings using UV resin. And today I will show you how to assemble it and mount on the doll. I decided to make it like a backpack. So I will use wire and thermoplastic. It becomes soft in boiling water and solidifies at room temperature. When the plastic has become transparent, you can walk with it. But be careful, it's hot. So I just join all the parts with this plastic. But I should walk very quickly because it hardens. And if you made a mistake, don't worry, just reheat the plastic. The main part of the work is done. With this method of attachment, the wings remain mobile and you can give them any pose. Awesome, isn't it? And now time of decoration. I will use velvet. Cut small piece of the fabric and glue it to the plastic. Make small cuts on the extra parts. And bend it around the edges. Cut the excess and glue small round piece on the top. Ta-da! To make the straps, I use the elastic. And the wings finally done. And the wings finally done. I don't really like to drill doll's body to attach the wings, so this removable version is my favorite. This is how it looks on the doll. Adorable! And in the next episode, I will show you carving process and repaint process of this Blythe. So don't forget to subscribe, share and give me a thumbs up. Bye!